Hello everyone. Now I am going to discuss about calculation of wave function using a particle in a box. Calculation using wave function of a particle using wave function of a particle in a box. Wave function of a particle, wave function of a particle in a box. So calculation of wave function of a particle, calculation using wave function of a particle in the box. So we will discuss few concepts, that is orthogonality, measurability of energy, position, momentum and average values and probabilities. All this we will discuss. So kindly, if you like my videos, kindly like my videos and subscribe my channel. So first I am going to start with orthogonality. First is orthogonality. So in this we have different types, that is first we will discuss orthogonality. In orthogonality the condition, the statement is verify the wave function of a particle in 1D box. Verify the wave function of a particle in 1D box having width is a and infinity height. Width is a and infinity height are orthogonal. Infinity height are, so width is a, infinity height are orthogonal. This we have to prove orthogonal. That means, so we should verify the function, wave function, so they are orthogonal. For example, psi1 into psi2 into d tau, that value should be equal to, we should prove this, we are going to prove psi1 into psi2 into d tau, that is equal to 0. First I am going to start. So psi1 and psi2 into d tau, that is I am going to show they are orthogonal to each other. This is the statement for orthogonality. So next, psi1 is what? So just you should take as usual. Psi, generally what is psi? Psi is equal to root 2 by L sin n pi by a into x, n pi by L into x, right? So here n means I am going to take here 1. So if it is psi1, here n is 1. Psi2, here n is 2. So first I am going to take psi1 is equal to root 2 by L into sin n pi by L. That means pi by L into x, n is equal to 1. So psi2 means what? Root 2 by L into sin, so 2n pi by L into x, 2n pi by L into x, right? So we should prove, we have to prove that psi1 into psi2 into d tau is equal to 0, we should prove. Now I am going to start. Take integration, limits are 0 to a, length of the box is a. Here you should take L means a, length of the box they given, L means a they given. So you should take, so 0 to a. So 0 to a you should take, then root 2 by a into sin n pi by a into x, that means sin pi by a into x is as it is, into same root 2 by a. Psi2 is what? Root 2 by a into sin 2n pi by a into x. 2n pi by a, n means it is 1, right? So here n means you should write 2 pi by a into x into dx. So now we should write root 2 by a into 2 by a. Root 2 by a is 2 by a, you should write outside. 0 to a into a is as it is. Here you are left out with sin pi by a into x into sin 2 pi by a into x. 2 pi by a into x into dx. So you should know, before going into this, you should know the formula. That formula is 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b formula is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. This is the formula. Here 2 is there, 2 sin, this is the sign you take, this is the value is a, this is the sign you take, so this the value is b. Now you should write 2 sin a sin b. In place of that you should just copy the cos of, this is the a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Should substitute this formula, you will get, So 2 means already it is there in the formula. You should write 1 by a into integration 0 to a is into what is that, cos of a minus b. A is what, pi by a into x, minus b is what, 2 pi by a into x, minus, you should write minus, then cos of a plus b. Cos of a means what, pi by a into x, minus 2 pi, minus means plus, right, here a plus b, 2 pi by a into x. This value into dx you should write, dx you should write. Now cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Now you should write step by step, then you will get, it is very easy. If you start, right, I am going to write 1 by a is as it is, 0 to a as it is. So that is what, cos of, here it is pi by a x minus 2 pi by a x means, so you should write LCM is a, pi minus 2 pi, pi x minus 2 pi x is minus pi x, you should write, minus, here it is the value is 1, this is minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 2, that minus 1, you will get cos of minus pi by a into x, minus pi by a into x, minus, this is a minus, cos of a, LCM is a, pi plus 2 pi is 3 pi by a, 3 pi by a into x. So value into dx you should write, dx, that is 1 by a into 0 to a you should write, 0 to a. Cos of minus x formula you should know, cos of minus x is equal to cos x, cos x, that means cos pi by a into x minus cos 3 pi by a into x. So this is into dx you should write. So now you should apply the integration. Now you should apply the integration. What you will get, 1 by a into integration of cos x. Already I discussed integration of cos x is sin x. So that means sin x, that is what, pi by a into x. So you should know this. Integration of cos a into x is equal to what? So that is sin ax by a. Here a is there. You should write this. So here integration of cos x means, so sin x, sin pi by a into x divided by what is this, pi by a is as it is, then minus cos of 3 pi by a into x, that is what, same again, sin 3 pi, that is what, integration of cos 3 pi by a means sin 3 pi by a into x into 3 pi by a, you should write, limits what, 0 to a you should write, 1 by a into, if this is comes this side, what happens, a by pi into sin pi by a into x, you should write sin pi by a into x, minus, that is finished, minus, here a by 3 pi into sin 3 pi by a into x, 3 pi by a into x, this you should write, here no need to keep this, directly multiplication it is, the limits are 0 to a you should write. Now apply upper limit then lower limit. Upper limit is a, so first you should write a by pi into applying upper limit. Upper limit in place of x you should substitute a. You will get a gets cancelled. You are left out with sin pi, minus. So lower limit is 0. In place of x substitute 0. Sin 0 is 0. Directly you should write sin 0 is 0. Next minus a by 3 pi is as it is. So you should write again sin. First upper limit minus lower limit, right? Upper limit is what? 3 pi by a into x. A means a gets cancelled. You will get sin 3 pi minus x means 0. Sin 0 you should write. So after writing this, the values already you know that. So what are the values? You should write, that is 1 by a into, here a by pi into sin pi is 0 minus sin 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, minus a by 3 pi into sin 3 pi, sin n pi is 0, already I discussed, that is 0 minus 0 is 0, you will get 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0, 0 minus 0, 0, so 0 into something is 0, you will get only 0. The answer is integration of psi 1 into psi 2 into d tau is means 0, that means therefore they are psi 1 and psi 2 are orthogonal to each other. Psi 1 and psi 2 are orthogonal to each other. orthogonal to each other. So this is about calculation using wave function of a particle in a box. So that is what orthogonality. So next is measurability of energy. So next is measurability of energy. Next is measurability of energy. So measurability of energy is nothing but, so energy of a particle in 1D box. Directly you should, using this you should find out energy of a particle. So statement is verify, otherwise you should write directly measurability of energy means find out the expectation value, expectation or average, both are same, expectation or average value of energy of a particle in 1D box, having width A, same question, having width is A, and infinity height. So statement is you should find out expectation value, that means energy. So you should prove energy is equal to n square h square by 8 ma square, you should prove. So this we are going to prove, energy is equal to E is equal to n square h square by 8 ma square. So first I am going to start, I am going to take the function. What is the function? Already we know the function. What is the function? Psi is equal to what? Root 2 by L into, psi is equal to what? Root 2 by L into, 2 by L means A, into sine n pi by A into x. Right? This is what? Psi. Psi is equal to root 2 by A into sine n pi by A into x. This is the function. So next, total energy is equal to what? Kinetic energy plus potential energy. So in the question you should also mention potential inside the box is 0. Potential inside the box is 0, you should write along the question. So I already told you question is what? Find the expectation value or average value of a particle in 1D box having width A and infinity height. So infinity height contains the potential inside the box is 0. 0 you should write. That means total energy is nothing but what? Hamiltonian operator, right? So I am not going to write Ke means half mv square. So that is p square by 2m. I am not going to write. Directly I am writing h cap. So h cap is Hamiltonian operator, that is given by minus h square by 8 pi square m. So into dou square by dou x square plus potential inside the box is 0. So that is also not required. So now we should do that integration of psi into h cap into psi star into d tau. So you should find out the value. What is the value you are going to find? What is the psi value this, and h cap value you have that, and psi star you should take same this side. So then you should prove the value is what? You should get n square h square by 8 ma square you have to get. So first I will take one by one. I will write step by step. Very easy concept. Here integration of psi into h cap into psi star into d tau. Right? Limits what? 0 to a. Already I told you. Integration of psi is what? Root 2 by L sine n pi by L. Here L means a. Already I told you should take L means a. 2 pi by a, n pi by a into x into h cap. What is the h cap? Hamiltonian operator minus h square by 8 pi square m into dou square by dou x square. So this is the Hamiltonian value into what is again psi star, that is again root 2 by L sine n pi by root 2 by a sine n pi by a into x into dx you should write. D tau means function is in terms of x, that is dx you should write. Now I am going to write root 2 by a into root 2 by a is what? 2 by a you will get. So this is also, this is constant multiplied constant is 2 by a I am writing. So this is also constant. So what is that? Constant is minus h square by 8 pi square m you should write. So this is also constant taking outside, limits 0 to a, and integration of 0 to a into sine, remaining term sine n pi by a into x into dou square by dou x square into sine n pi by a into x into dx you should write dx. So if you observe clearly, after the differentiation you will have the function, right? After differentiation, right side is a function is there. Now we should find out the value of this. So again I am writing here. So first you should write d by dx, first differentiation of sine n pi by a into x. What you will get? So sine d by dx of sine x is cos x. Directly you will get cos n pi by a into x into what you will get? Into d by dx value is what? N pi by a. N pi by a come writing first side, front side. Next. So again you should do the differentiation, that you will get dou square by dou x square of sine n pi by a into x. So that means you should write here, you should do the differentiation. N pi by a is as it is, I am going to write into cos differentiation. Cos d by dx is what? Again minus sine n pi by a into x into n pi by a. So that means what you will get? N square pi square a square. So what is the value of this? Directly you should substitute. In place of this, just you should substitute d square, that is dou square by dou x square sine n pi by a into x. Just you should substitute this value. What you will get? You should write, what is the value of this? 2 into 2 minus h square you should write, minus h square by 8 pi square m into a you should write, otherwise m into a you should write into, just nothing I do, I written as it is, 0 to a you should write sine n pi by a into x. This is as it is. What is the value of this? This value, right? So what is the value? Minus into minus plus you will get. So again you should write into n square pi square constant, I am going right front side, into what is the value of this? Sine n pi by a into x you got. Sine n pi by a into x you got. Sine n pi by a into x. If you write as it is, so here pi square gets cancelled, you will get, so n square h square by 8 is as it is, m into a square is a cube you should write, m a cube. So limits 0 to a, here 2 is there, 2 you should write, 0 to a, sin x into sin x is sin square x, you will get sin square n pi by a into x, n pi by a into x into dx. Already in starting classes I already told you what is the sin square n pi by a into x formula. Sin square x formula is what? So sin square x formula is what? 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So that formula you should write next step. So you should write as it is, what we have, that 2n square h square by 8 m a cube. So 0 to a. So what is the formula? Sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x, 2 into n pi by a into x, 2 into n pi by a into x. So that is divided by 2. So complete into dx. Here 2 gets cancelled. So what you are left with? You are left with n square h square by 8 into m a cube. Now you should multiply integration of 0 to a into 1 into dx. 1 into dx minus integration of 0 to a into, so that is what, cos 2n pi by a into x into dx. Just multiply integration inside, n square h square by 8 m a cube, 8 into m a cube. Here integration of x, integration of direct dx is what? Integration of dx is x, you will get x minus integration of cos x formula. Integration of cos x is sin x. Already I told you integration of cos x means sin x you will get. So sin x. So if it is ax is there, sin ax by a you will get. Similarly, what you will get? Integration of cos x means same sin x you should write. Sin 2n pi by a into x. So divide by, so what is the value we have, that 2n pi by a. So this value, so here your limits are 0 to a, 0 to a. Here n square h square by 8 ma cube you should write, 8 ma cube. So x minus, you are getting a by 2n pi, a by 2n pi into sine 2n pi by a into x, 2n pi by a into x. Limits are 0 to a. Now substitute upper limit then lower limit. What you will get? Just I am going to write and check. So substitute upper limit, then after upper limit minus lower limit, what you will get? So you will get easy. That is what? N square h square by 8 ma cube. You should write. Then first upper limit is a minus 0, lower limit is 0. A in place of x you should substitute a, in place of x you should substitute 0, a minus 0. So that is, you will get a minus 0 minus a by 2n pi into, again you should substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So what is this? So in place of x you should substitute a gets cancelled. You will get sine 2n pi minus, so sine x into 0 means, so sine 0 you will get, sine 0. So after that n square h square by 8 ma cube, 8 ma cube. So into a minus 0 is a you will get, minus a by 2n pi into sine 2n pi is 0 minus sine 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 into something is 0 you will get. So you will get 0, this value is 0, you will get only n square h square by 8 ma cube, you are only left with a. Here a and here you will get one cancel, you will get only square. So this is what expectation value, this is energy is equal to what? N square h square by 8 ma square. Generally it is, in place of a we will take L, right? So that is what E is equal to n square h square by 8 ml square. Same similarly E is equal to n square h square by 8 ma square, we have that. So this is the expectation value, so our measurability of value or average energy. So average energy, all energy related is, this is using the wave function. Using the wave function, this concept is clear, right? Next, average position, right? Next, average position you should write. Find out the average position. Find out the average position. Average position, right, of a particle using the wave function. So average position means what? X, right? You should prove that. So integration of psi into, so x cap into psi star into d tau. So you should prove the value. So first psi, already you know that. What is the psi value? You should write starting step, psi into x cap into psi star into d tau. D tau means, in place of terms are x, you should take dx. What is the value? Integration. Psi means what? Root. Psi means what? Root 2 by L you should take. So psi means root 2 by L into sine. So n pi by, so limits you should take a, n pi by a into x into, what is the x? X cap is x, right? X cap is x into, what is the psi star? Same, root 2 by L into sine n pi by a into x into dx you should write. So here root 2 by a into root 2 by a is what? Root 2 by a into 2 by a is 2 by a, you will get integration. So x you should write. So this term sin x into sin x is sin square x square. Sin square 2n, that is what? Sin square n pi by a into x into dx you will get. So already you know this formula. What is that? 2 by a into integration x into, what is the formula? Sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x, cos 2 into n pi by a into x divided by 2, right? This is the formula for sin square x into dx is as it is. So next step, 2 gets cancelled. You are left out with 1 by a into multiply, limits are 0 to a you should write, 0 to a you should write, 0 to a. So now multiply. So this is a term you should write integration x into dx. Integration x into dx. Limits are 0 to a minus integration of 0 to a into. So you will get what? X into cos to x. X into cos 2n pi by a into x into dx. Dx. You should write. This is the value you should find out. This is the value you should find out. What you will get? You should write. So if you observe clearly, integration of this is the x term, this is the x term. So integration of u into v into dx. This formula must you should know. Integration of u into v into dx formula is, so u into integration v into dx minus, so it is a big integration. Next d by dx of u you should write. Then integration, small integration v into dx. I will tell you how to write this. So integration of u into, the formula is this. Formula is integration of u into v into dx is u into integration v into dx minus d by dx of u you should do, then integration of v into dx you should do, then again you should do the integration. Now we will see step by step what you will get. That is equal to 1 by a into, should write as it is. First integration of x formula, already I told you, integration of x means x square by 2. So x power n plus 1 by 2, already I discussed. Now integration of x means what you will write? X square by 2, x square by 2 minus. Now you should find out the value of this. So first I am going to take this part only. I will write the value. So I will find out this value. Integration of x into cos 2n pi by a into x into dx. So this is the u part, this is the v part. I will directly write this value here. So this is the u part, v part. What you will do first? U is what? U is x. X is as it is. Integration of cos, directly should write. Integration of v means what? Integration of cos is sine. Sine 2n pi by a into x divided by 2n pi by a. Finished first part. Minus, this is a big integration. Next d by dx of u, that means d by dx of x, that is 1. So 1 is not going to write, into again integration of u, integration of v. Integration of v means what? Again integration of v. Integration of cos is what? Sine. Sine 2n pi by a into x divided by 2n pi by a into dx is there. You should write dx. Now you should write x into, this value is a by 2n pi you will get, into sine 2n pi by a into x minus, now you should write a by 2n pi. This is reverse, right? A by 2n pi. So now integration of sine is minus cos. Integration of sine is minus cos. Minus into minus plus, you will get cos 2n pi by a into x divided by 2n pi by a, you will get again 2n pi by a. So this 2n pi by 2n pi by a is reverse, that is a square by 2 square is 4, n square, 5 square is as it is. Now you should write, what you will do, just you should write this place, you should write complete this value you should write. Complete this value you should write. Then what you will get? You should write minus into, directly you should write in place of this value you should write this. What you will get? Multiplying minus directly, minus x into a by 2n pi into sine 2n pi by a into x. So minus, so here minus into plus is again minus, you should write. So that is what? A square by, so 4 n square pi square into cos 2n pi by a into x. 2n pi by a into x. Limits are what? 0 to a you should write. Limits are 0 to a you should write. Now if you will write 1 by a into, so First substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Just you should take bracket for this. So upper limit is a, lower limit is 0. So a square by 2 you will get here, minus 0 square by 2 is 0 you will get. This term is finished. Minus, again taking bracket. So x term is a. X means a you should take. A into a is a square by 2n pi into here x means a gets cancelled, you will get sin 2n pi. Upper limit I substituted for this term. So lower limit is 0. 0 into something is directly 0. Should write directly 0. Again minus is there. Minus you should write. Keep bracket. So minus is there. You should write a square by. Otherwise you should write a square by 4n square pi square into. Substitute upper limit. Upper limit is what? A gets cancelled. You will get cos 2n pi. So you should take this common, cos 2n pi minus. So lower limit is 0. Cos 0 is, you should write cos 0 is as it is. Bracket is closed. 1 by a into the value is a square by 2 minus. So sin n pi is 0. Already I discussed sin n pi is 0. You will get 0 minus 0 is 0. So the value is 0. Cos 2n pi is 1. You should write minus because it is even number. Cos n pi is, so the cos n pi is 1. For even numbers it is 2 is there. So 1 minus cos 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into something is 0. You will get only entire value is 0. That I am not going to write. So here a into a gets cancelled. You will get a by 2. That means average position x cap is what? A by 2. X cap is equal a by 2. This is about average position. That is what a by 2 you will get. So average values find out. If they will ask the question, you should find out average position. You should find average position. X cap is a by 2 you should write. In next video we will discuss about average momentum we will discuss, and average, that is what probability of a finding electron, that is probabilities we will discuss in the next video. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you very much.